Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. As you can see here today, we're making a custom cow's rug. But guys, before we got here, I want you to know this is not where we started, but this is where we started. Now guys, this rug took me literally a day to make. This is considering having everything at hand. When I say everything, I mean the design having been drawn, the power, the drawing, the yarns, materials, da 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 da, yada yada yada. Now, guys, if you're interested in wanting to make such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, your custom studio, or to just spice up your house and take it from a flashback to flash fabulous, darling, well, I can customize a rug for you as long as you have the design of what you want, size and measurement, then I can do it for you. And also, if you're interested in wanting to learn how to make such wonderful, if not amazing rugs as a business or a side hustle, then darling, I also got you covered because I have tufting classes for anyone interested in wanting to learn how to make such beautiful rugs for themselves as a side hustle or even as a business. I have tufting classes for you. Now guys, if you've reached till this part of the video, please comment frogs or purple so that I know you took your lovely time and you watched till the end. Now if you find this video amazing, please give it a thumbs up, like this video, save it, share it, tell a friend about my work, my rugs, my classes, and also I have a YouTube channel, so I think, or I would love if y'all just go there and just support me on YouTube, okay? Now, if you've reached until this part, let me let you enjoy this video and da 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 da, yada yada yada.